Hey guys, so today I'm going to be putting on a oil catch can on my 2012 SRT8 Superbee Charger. It's going to be an easy install, and I'm going to show you what the box contains for this specific catch can and how to do it on with this specific catch can as well as with this specific engine. I'm not sure if there's any differences between the Jeeps or the Challengers. If there is, it's probably where the mounting point is. That's probably the only difference, or it would be dependent on the catch can that you get. So this catch can is from JLT Performance. It's a 3.0. I believe that's the liters, if I'm not wrong. Could be wrong. It comes with the instructions, how to do it, a little sticker, and pretty much that's it. It comes with a little bag that has these screws attached, so I already attached screws just so I wouldn't lose them. But this hose comes attached to it like this. This bracket comes loose, like I said, and you just put the screws in to attach it with the catch can. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this 15mm bolt, the ratchet socket, and we're gonna just remove that bolt. And when you remove that bolt, this will bolt on right there like that, and just screw it back on. Next thing you want to do is you want to pull this out right here using like Phillips, or you can just pull it out like that, and you're going to take it out from here as well, just like that. Remove that PCV pipe, and you're going to try to turn this right here in a way that when this bolts on, it will kind of sit into it straight. All right, once you turn this to be straight, this is kind of straight, that's fine. Just make sure everything is tight together, and then you're going to bolt the bracket onto the bolt right there. And that would be the installation. Easy as that, less than 3 minutes. Just remove the PCV pipe, screw the bracket onto this. Of course, just, you get the bracket, you get the screws, just screw the bracket onto the catch can, remove the PCV pipe, connect everything together, bolt it back on, and you're all set.